Valentine Simbarashe Choga is one of the upcoming music artists in Zimbabwe during this novel of the merciless pandemic of COVID-19. Well, folks, you might ask, who is Valentine? Well, Valentine is famously known as Van Choga. He is setting the streets of Zimbabwean danzo ablaze with his music that is full of unexplainable energy that many people are saying if this energy given an opportunity, it could power the whole of Zimbabwe. Be that the story today, I have the privilege of mimicking about the upcoming music artist Van Choga. Thank you, viewers, for your attention. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so for you not to miss a thing. You might think that Van Choga started singing this year or last year. Well, folks, Van Choga started singing in 2005. During an interview, Van Choga had the audacity to say, "I started singing when I was a toddler. I would perform in school gigs." However, he admitted that he began his music career in 2010. That's when he started recording. Van Choga admitted that growing up with a music passion is not easy, as back in the days there were few studios and to record a song was not easy. So as for him, he said, "I would write many songs and compile." As strange as it might sound, Van Choga was inspired by Jamaican men Elephant Man and Ninja Man. Here in Zimbabwe, he admitted that no one really inspired him to start his music career. Well, folks, forgive my manners. Van Choga stays in Rua and was born in Arcadia on 11 May 1993. He did his primary level at Chiremba Primary School. Van Choga greatly appreciates the support given by Yala Nation since they helped him to be on the map of Zimbabwe's Zimdancehall music. He claims that the sad part of his career is that people don't get his music, and he urges people to listen to his lyric and digest the message since it is uplifting. He denies all allegations that he is crazy. Looking at things at a bigger picture, Van Choga came a long way to be where he is now, and as Zimbabweans, we must support him. During an interview by ZFM Studio, Van Choga disclosed that he is single and not searching but rather focusing on his music. From the looks of it, he doesn't want anyone to divert him from his art of singing. From a fan point of view, Van Choga is a good example of patience. He started singing in 2005 and gained fame in 2020. By virtue, may this serve as a lesson to all of us that patience pains, but it pays. Van Choga, despite the hardship of not having enough resources, he kept going despite people laughing at him. His fame in 2020 has shamed all people who laughed at him. Being that the story to gain fame in such times like this is never a thing to underestimate, but Van Choga defied all odds and gained fame. Well, folks, if I was Van Choga, I would say impossible is the word found in the dictionary of fools. Well, folks, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Peace.